Welcome! In today's video, I would like to show you my tomato trellis. This trellis system allows me to grow more tomatoes in less space. I'm going to start from the beginning. My tomato plants have been in the ground for about 4 to 5 weeks, and they're getting tall enough that I need to give them some extra support. I did this by putting anchors on each side of my bed where the rows of tomatoes were. All I used for this was metal fencing. After all the end supports were in place, I took some twine, tied it to one of the fence posts, and then weaved it in and out the tomatoes. By weaving in and out of the tomato plant, it allows each plant to help support one another, and the twine brings the vines close to the center. Trellising tomatoes help keep the branches from breaking off in high winds or breaking off from the weight of the actual tomato. It is also beneficial to your plants because it keeps them from laying on the ground, which can cause disease or hold extra moisture and cause it to rot. So here you can see we're pretty far into the growing season now, and my tomato plants are fairly large. That's what I like about this system. I can continue to support the plants no matter how tall they get. Once again, I just tie off to the end post and then weave the twine throughout the plant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.